So as you can see, here I have done some text open in this Crowdin online CAD tool. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually use Bohemicus with Crowdin. You will see that Bohemicus can be of extreme usefulness when using Crowdin. And I'm going to show you actually three main features of Bohemicus that you can use also in Crowdin, and that's machine translation, then dictation or speech to text, and then some productivity features. So let's get into it. So first of all, I would like to show you how the machine translation works. Machine translation is extremely easy with Crowdin and with Bohemicus. You can just open your segment, which we have opened right here, and then you just press Ctrl plus space. And as you can see, your segment will be instantly translated. In this case, it's from English into Czech. So let's try another one. And again, you open your segment and you just press Ctrl plus space. And as you can see, it works very nicely. And this is because there is Bohemicus running in the background. Bohemicus is this software here. It's called Bohemicus. It's a special software for translators. And if you want to use it for instance, machine translation, then what you need to do is to go to this language and settings and to set up your source language, which is English in this case, and target language, which is Czech in this case. And then, of course, you can also select your machine translation provider. So we have selected DeepL, or I have selected DeepL for this case, but you can choose Google or MyMemory or ModernMG. That depends on you. And once you have set it up, you can go back to Crowdin and you can start using it for machine translation. So again, you just open your segment and you press Ctrl plus space like this. And as you can see, it will be instantly translated. And yes, in Crowdin you can use machine translation, but only from the manager's point of view. If you are a translator, you are just translating in Crowdin, then you are actually prevented from using any machine translation. So Bohemicus is a way how you can use machine translation, even if not allowed by your manager. So there was the machine translation option, and then the other one is voice dictation. So voice dictation works also very easily, but you will need your Android phone for this. So I have here my Android phone, and you will need the Bohemicus application for Android. You will need to download it either directly from my webpage or from Google Play. You download it, you install it, and once it's installed, you just run it. And as you will see in this section of screen, it will automatically, once you run it in your phone, it will automatically connect to your PC. So I'm just pressing my Bohemicus icon right now in my phone, starting Bohemicus. And as you can see, it has successfully connected to my PC. It's connected via Bluetooth. And what this allows you to do is to use the excellent Google speech-to-text engine in your PC for your dictations. So as you can see, I have run it in my Android phone. I've launched it. And what I can do now, I can go back to Crowdin, and I can just press the tilde key, which is the default key to start dictation in Bohemicus. The tilde key is this key right here. And once I press it, my Android phone will start listening to me and will start converting my speech into text. So just to show you how it works, I'm pressing the tilde key now and I'm starting to dictate in Czech. Děti si se zařízením nesmějí hrát. And as you can see, it will be nicely converted into speech. So let's try another segment. So pressing the tilde key again, starting to dictate into Czech. Před připojením elektrické konvice k napájecí zásuvce zkontrolujte, že napětí uvedené na štítku se shoduje s elektrickým napětím v zásuvce. And as you can see, it will be very nicely converted. So the Google speech-to-text engine is very accurate, so it delivers very good results. So this is how you can dictate in Crowdin using Bohemicus. And the last feature I would like to show you is the productivity features. There are many productivity features. I'm going to show you just one of them, and that's quick search in your connected dictionaries. in your term base, and in your connected translation memory. So if you go back to this segment, so let's say I would like to see what is the translation of, I don't know, maybe this word appliance. So what's the translation into Czech? And what I can do, I can just select it. And I simply press a hotkey combination, which in this case is Ctrl plus Alt plus K. So when I press it, Ctrl plus Alt plus K, so as you can see, it will find this word in my machine translation providers, which is here, in my connected translation memory, which is here, in my connected term base, which I have here, and also in my connected offline dictionary, which is here. And on top of that, also it should find it in my connected online dictionary, which I have here. So as you can see, everything has been found pretty nicely. So if you want to use this productivity feature, simply always select your term like this and press Ctrl plus Alt plus K, and it will be found in your translation memory, online dictionary, and connected offline dictionary. So this is just one of the productivity features you can use with Bohemicus when working in Crowdin. Many other features in Bohemicus, such as notes taking or imperial and metric conversion, unit conversion, or even record keeping of your jobs, and so on and so on. So I recommend you go to the link posted below this video, you check the Bohemicus website, you download the software, and you try it out, perhaps with Crowdin or with any other offline or online CAS tool. So thank you for watching, and see you in some other video.